Hey there, Shopify store owners. Are you looking to grow your email and SMS marketing list without writing a single line of code? Then you need to check out Ecomsend pop-ups by Channelwheel, one of the highest rated pop-up apps available on the Shopify App Store. What makes Ecomsend special? Ecomsend helps you turn website visitors into loyal subscribers with eye-catching pop-ups, whether it's an opt-in form, a discount pop-up, or even a fun spin the wheel game to retain customers before they leave your site. This app has everything you need to grow your list and boost conversions. You can fully customize the pop-up designs to match your brand using the simple drag and drop editor. And the best part, subscribers are automatically added to your Shopify list and seamlessly integrated with your favorite tools like Klaviyo, MailChimp, SMS Bomb, and many more. Just to highlight, no tech skills needed, no code requires, just install and go live in minutes. Plus, if you need any help, their support team is online 24/7. When it comes to ratings and reviews, it's now over 12,000 reviews and a flawless 5-star rating. It's a clear sign that Ecomstand delivers serious results from e-commerce brands of all sizes. Want to see in action? Right down below the install button, click on View Demo Store. This will take you straight to a live demo where you can explore exactly how the pop-ups look and function inside a real Shopify store. It's the best way to get a feel for what the app can do for your brand. So, what are you waiting for? Try Ecomsend pop-ups today and start converting visitors into subscribers and buyers instantly.